Hello again, it's Noob, and this is a cool eBay find. This is the Squire LN70, and I've not really seen one of these before actually. It's a really chunky lock with a hardened steel shackle, really thick. Just getting my a ruler out to give a close approximation of the thickness of that shackle, and I think it's about 11 or 12 mils. I mean, that's a chunky beast, all brass. And I quite like this style here. It's not quite deco, but it's a kind of cool style. Just don't see this kind of lock anymore, which is a shame. This is the bitting. Actually, not too bad. Assuming that this is a well-made lock and all the pins fire, having some low pins at the front, low pins at the back, and some high pins in the middle isn't actually a bad configuration. Works very smoothly. If this has seen any real action, it must have been in some good condition. It's got a little bit of corrosion, but I think it's just an older lock, so it isn't really surprising. But it's quite smooth in its operation, so yeah, maybe it's had quite a good life. And what's better than having a good life is really reaching your destiny by being on a YouTube video. So just going to thumb tension, see where we are. So pin 4, little click, pin 3, pin 2 now, little click there, pin 1, little click, and we're open. Wow, fast open. I don't think I picked pin 5 actually, for that matter. Let's have a look at the key again. It could be that pin 5, the driver pin on that is so short that it doesn't actually need to be picked, but other than that, 4 out of 5 pins isn't too bad for a vintage lock like that. I know it sounds weird, but I actually really like this lock. It's a strange one, isn't it? Some locks just appeal to you. Arguably there's nothing really too special about this, but I just like its sort of 70mm wide style, its thick shackle, something just about it. Although it's not a very high security lock, I just like it. Anyway, quick video, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time.